Hi, welcome to Digital Real Estate. We're here today looking at Bitcoin. Got the 4-hour chart up to start here. Just want to go over what's going on in the current market. We're still within that symmetrical triangle that I had mentioned in the previous video. Again, we're not going to be going anywhere anytime soon. And we're still within this descending wedge on the larger scale. But overall, just kind of retesting a larger symmetrical triangle and finding support, as I said, here. So we're good to go. We just need to be patient, let this ride out, let it shake all the leverage out, get all the greedy hands out, shake some people out there uncertain, thinking possibly we're going to go lower. We definitely could wick lower down in this area, like I had said, but it's obvious we have a buying base here following this line just like I am. Um, Somebody out there, some group of people, or just people are seeing what I'm seeing, that this is really an area that should hold, and we want to buy here and continue going up from here. Just what the looks like what the market's saying, and the volume that kind of picks up when we get down towards this line. I did get an entry on the smaller time frame, a really good one. It was 46.55. 8, I think 553 or so was the low, 552. So I got in just at the bottom, and that was just because I just said, this area here just a little bit above, maybe won't touch it, and I just kind of used some numbers that I generally place my orders at. So was able to cash out at 49,177. So it was a good move with the type of leverage that I use when I trade. Made a great profit off of a small risk that I leveraged real high, and it all worked out. And I was able to do that with confidence because we had already built some support here. I knew we were going to stay within this triangle. Even if we broke below it, we were just finding more support on the descending trend that started once we topped out in April, and then we started coming down. That trend is still in play. We did break out before we got to the 69. That's what led us to the 69, that breakout, the all-time high, and now we're coming down to retest that. That's all this is. You're going to hear a lot of different stories out there on YouTube, blah, 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 people going crazy, all this stuff, in Discord chats, all types of things. A lot of times people are just having fun in those chats, just, kind of busting at each other. I go in there a lot too on certain channels. I'm not going to mention, the ones I'm on, but I'm on there and I'm just talking to people, and you're just trying to have fun, kind of poke at each other, let the time pass. Don't take anyone real serious. People at this time are just trying to get through the holidays and get into the new year, and look for a new optimistic outlook and running going up. So that's what I'm forecasting, and that's what I'm seeing within the charts play out at the moment. I'm going to zoom back here a little bit so you can kind of see where I'm kind of getting all this information from. In case you're not familiar with the market, this was our 69 top. We're basically in this wedge here. Now we're forming a symmetrical triangle on the shorter time frames here. But overall, when I hit the day chart here, and this is going to help you see the bigger guy here. You have your symmetrical triangle right here that we broke out of, and now retesting. So, we're in good shape. There's no worries. Just, get close as you can to that green line. Follow that black line. Dabble. Go in small. Don't go crazy. Take your time. Dollar cost average always, even if you're trading, just put in a little bit each time until you can kind of confirm the spot. If you're getting antsy, I understand it's hard to sit out of the market for days and weeks upon the time, especially if you made the wrong call and you have to kind of wait it out. That's the way it is. So you want to make sure you stay in this trend line here. Buy down here. Don't go chase up here. Don't do that. Don't chase when it's up above it. On the top of this channel, or even in the midway point. Don't chase. That's high. It's high. Like get it when it's down here. Like even here was a little sketchy, but you had some good support building. Like we did here. So we may not see down on this channel, maybe till later, until we reach even higher. So, um, you know, let's be open to all possibilities. Obviously, higher is not always possible, but the way the trend has been ascending for years, we could even dip down, and we really wouldn't go that much lower than this line, and just kind of drag back up anyway eventually. So um, I would just keep a level head now, and just, well, at all times too. Don't get overly excited and don't get overly fearful, greedy or fearful, the right way to say it. But just going to do a quick video because really nothing's changed in the market, and I appreciate you stopping in to watch it. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you dislike it, please hit the dislike so I know, you know, where I stand. And also subscribe if you're interested in seeing more videos. And I appreciate all your time, and have a great rest of the night or day, whatever time zone you're in, and take care of yourself. Thank you.